Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Preparing mutton liver properly is key to a tender, flavorful dish. First, rinse the 500 grams of liver thoroughly under cold water, ensuring it's clean. Next, meticulously trim away any fibrous white membranes or hard bits. This prevents chewiness. Finally, slice the cleaned liver into uniform 1-inch cubes, making sure each piece cooks at the same rate. This careful preparation sets the stage for a perfect meal. For this recipe, fresh ingredients make all the difference. We'll be using 1 finely chopped medium onion and 2 minced garlic cloves to build our flavor base. Our spice blend includes 1 teaspoon of cumin, a vibrant 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder for a gentle kick. A touch of garam masala and fresh coriander at the end will elevate the dish beautifully. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in your pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your finely chopped onions, letting them soften and turn translucent for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic, cooking for just 30 seconds until its aroma fills the kitchen. Finally, introduce the liver pieces, searing them quickly for 2 to 3 minutes until they develop a lovely brown crust on all sides. Now it's time to infuse our liver with incredible flavor. Lower the heat to medium-low, then sprinkle in the cumin, turmeric, and red chili powder. Stir everything thoroughly, ensuring each piece is beautifully coated, cooking for about 1 minute to let the spices bloom. Pour in a 1/4 cup of water or broth, stirring to lift any flavorful bits from the pan. Cover and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the liver is perfectly tender. Once the liver is cooked, remove it from the heat. Now, stir in salt to your preference and a final pinch of fragrant garam masala. Finish by garnishing generously with fresh, chopped coriander, adding a beautiful pop of color and freshness. Serve this delightful mutton liver hot, alongside warm naan, fluffy rice, or even a simple fresh salad for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy every tender, flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.